Coinpayu is a free crypto reward stage where you can procure crypto by survey promotions or doing offers. It pays its client with free crypto coins. You can acquire various digital lot currencies from this stage and pull out them through any of your believed wallets like Mara and Remitano as expressed before. Portions of the coins you can bring in cash on Coinpayu are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, TRX, Binance Coin, and a lot more as the rundown on continuing endlessly. I accept that as one of the advantages of bringing in cash with Coinpayu over up promotions. There are various bringing in coins to make cash on Coinpayu. I am so eager to share this, and you should simply to bring in cash on Coinpayu by joining the stage free of charge. You then go to the site or application menu where you will see a rundown of things. You will bring in cash on Coinpayu through View Promotions and Fixtures on the menu. You can right off the bat click on the faucet to guarantee a few coins for nothing. There will be a great deal for you to procure, and that is why I love to bring in cash on Coinpayu. If I were in your shoes, I will initially guarantee the BTC, since we as a whole realize how strong it is to procure BTC these days. So no dulling, guarantee all the accessible BTC immediately, folks. Presently you can guarantee the Dogecoin and Cardano coin and perceive the amount you have made inside that brief time frame.
On TimeBucks.com, you can bring in cool cash, completing not many things you actually might very much want to accomplish for no particular reason/free. TimeBucks makes it conceivable to bring in cash by messing around and doing other few straightforward assignments on the web. These are basic errands which you can perform and bring in cash every day without effective financial planning a dime. Thus, in this video, I will show you the 5 simplest ways you can bring in cash on TimeBucks. Indeed, 5 basic ways you can bring in cash on TimeBucks without spending or contributing a dime, other than your significant investment. Alongside that, I will likewise be letting you know how TimeBucks works, and in particular, assuming TimeBucks is genuine or counterfeit. Along these lines, without burning through of time, let us perceive how we can bring in cash from TimeBucks. TimeBucks runs a subsidiary showcasing framework. They charge a specific rate for any organization that needs to advance their brands on the stage. This is obvious even in the TimeBucks studies, where the organization giving out the review could pay 90 cents, while TimeBucks pays the enrolled individuals the amount of 80 cents for responding to overview questions, accordingly taking 10 cents as their own cut. Pulling out on TimeBucks is a seriously basic errand. Be that as it may, your withdrawal will find lasting success provided that you have arrived at the base TimeBucks withdrawal limit, which is $10. To pull out on TimeBucks, you should go through the accompanying advances. Go to the TimeBucks dashboard, click on Pull Out, pick Installment Strategy, add account subtleties contingent upon the TimeBucks installments. The next platform is Womplay, a prizes stage intended for energetic players that gets them crypto and NFT from messing around. The best part is numerous. Your #1 titles from Forge of Empire to Raid Shadow Legends will be coordinated with it. Womplay will include a few sorts of difficulties with various payout plans. Altogether, players can hop in on Quick Play. A chose level of program games will be accessible to welcome more assortment on Womplay and give you simple procuring choices. Be that as it may, the Quick Play choice can grant you with 300 Wombats each day all in all. Missions. In the upper right corner, you can see a mission look with day-to-day undertakings for you. In return, you will get Wombats or NFT prizes. Finishing extraordinary sort of missions, you can get game-themed and restorative NFT missions. Utilize your NFT in a story-driven experience and win both crypto and Wombats. The slotting machine. Feeling like your NFT need more squeeze? Run the gaming machine to change their properties. Loot boxes. Premium loot boxes award you Wombats, NFT, or crypto consistently. Opening those expenses 50,000 Wombats. Ordinary loot boxes contain Wombats compensates and are totally for nothing. Nothing you want to do. Recently bust that chest open. To use Womplay, you will need to have an EOS account created with or imported to Wombat. Other wallets will not be compatible. To switch your Wombats over completely to EOS or PBTC, you should join the exceptional cash out event. You will see a purple button under the award pool. You will require something like 1,000 Wombats to partake. Your income rely upon two things: the aggregate sum of Wombats submitted for the occasion and your portion of those. For example, assuming that every one of the challengers contribute 100,000 Wombats with you placing in 16,000 Wombats, you will get 16% of the award pool. Note that this offer could change as more Womplayers join the occasion and contribute more Wombats. Pick how much Wombats you need to figure in with your award. This sum will be deducted from your dynamic Wombats balance. You can continuously add more by means of the TOP up button. These occasions normally keep going for a week and end on Fridays at 13:00 CET. With EOS, you can purchase in-game things, delicate money, or lifts in Prospectors, Splinterlands, Crypto Dynasty, and numerous different games. You can unreservedly move, exchange, sell, and gather your NFT. The NFT you got on Womplay additionally include utility on the stage inside difficulties and missions, as well as surface-level use. Some blockchain games likewise highlight NFT marking to mine in-game cryptographic money or different prizes. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this.